Welcome to our kitchen. Today we prepare medieval frittata de pomeranzis, a sweet frittata with oranges, from the Registrum Coquine, written in the 15th century by Johannes Bockenheim, who worked at the court of Pope Martin V. We start with ingredients. We need oranges, eggs, lard and sugar. We beat 4 eggs with the juice of an orange and add a tablespoon of brown sugar. The author doesn't specify the ratio of the ingredients. You can make this dish sweet, as we did, or add just a squeeze of orange and a pinch of sugar. In this case, add 2 pinches of salt. Contrary to popular belief, in the 15th century there were several varieties of oranges, as we read in Michele Savonarola's book on dietetics, and Platinas de honesta voluptate et valetudine. There were sweet, bitter and intermediate varieties. The author considered sweet oranges with the addition of sugar better for the stomach, so we used this variety for our recipe. The Registrum Coquine is a fascinating source, especially because all the recipes are recommended for specific social classes, making this cookbook a colorful and fascinating record of the complexity of medieval society, seen from the perspective of a professional cook. In the 2 manuscripts that collect the Registrum Coquine, this frittata is considered suitable either for actors or for prostitutes and pimps. Unlike other cases, such as pork soup for women, stuffed eggs for monks, or even beef soup for peasants, it is unclear why Bockenheim considers orange frittata suitable for these social groups. But prostitutes and pimps are clearly among his favorites, since there are other recipes recommended for them, such as a cheesecake we prepared in the past, as well as recipes for liver and spit-roasted almond milk. In the description below, you find the link to some recipes from the Registrum Coquine. We melt the lard in a pan and add the mixture. If you prefer, use olive oil or butter, an ingredient that Bockenheim uses in his recipes. Once the eggs are set, the frittata is ready. Our translation of the Registrum Coquine is available on Amazon, with an introduction and notes on the text. For more historical recipes with fruit, check out our book, Early Italian Recipes, Vegetables, Fruit, Herbs and Flowers. On Patreon you find several articles and translations of historical sources. To learn more about historical cooking, check out our book, Ancient Roman Cooking, and our translations, The Observatione Ciborum, Early Medieval Recipes at the Court of the Franks, and Libro della Cucina, Medieval Tuscan Recipes. To support our work, you can also buy us a beer and purchase our merchandise. You find all the links in the description below. This frittata was sweet with a delicious, complex flavor, given by the oranges and sugar. Surely an interesting way to prepare a frittata, very different from today. We recommend it as a quick and easy breakfast or afternoon snack, but also as a dessert after your medieval meal. If you're interested in ancient foods and flavors, subscribe our channel and consider supporting us on Patreon.